culprit, perpetrator, no. Let's question how he got there that night. Because Nigel himself, that night, now we're here all night. All night. And girls all con or cry. I'll give you the dress. I'm not ashamed.
No, Ninkrofosu didn't come.
Yeah. Or she pink dress, blue jeans, and a pink dress. I didn't come or copy. Now you see, you say, now Nigel, a genie seeker. Or then she show her the girl. So, Emma, a Rano, Wendy, Morris, no. Ni sister, if you are butchery by. A buy or didn't cross, sorry. Nigel won't be a man who will be in Stanley. Who did mammy did Betty ba. When Susa, ni see and a copper, ni sister no so afaka. Emma, ni sister no catch her. Wendy said, are you sure this is a pastor? This is what he has told me. Also a penny. Now, when didn't catch her, ni sister no say, Udeti Nigel. Enti, coffee and a chair no be attacking Nigel, say, on your papa. And you only your jumper, it can be our mom who be our fancy man. Now, yes, sir, there wouldn't be an Obeka. Because what did not continue a fake a yaman miracle, say, confession, say, or no di Jordan is you. Now, Israel for Bepinam one for
yes, our video near share no again and say, or the issue, you know, that's the fake one, no?
Yes, because we're a fake one. Or in Nigel, this is and we'll continue our testimony.
Fake.
Fake. And one, and the ensure free John Israel. Now, when I may allow from Israel, who carry gallons and so. And this is for yes, man.
Producer, Monfa sa video number dia kan e kan Monfa mra yen san refresh viewers na adwene. Sa video no ababa no say audience no e kan it ne and no refer no. Yes, yeah, this is it.
This is the girl.
Wow. Yeah, my queen. It's like every day we are going to take painkillers now, and because of that, for me, for hospital, for checking my pressure now again. See that is free. If you are buying on the Sunday, or the Jordan water, and buy no say. They are going and so on. So the whole I'm standing and being shown a craft farm with you. It's been like 4 or 5 weeks now. We experienced a head injury. But we didn't feel the farm with you. Well, 4 to 5 weeks.
Well, so much Jesus. I probably in the name of Jesus.
Yeah.
So we need to know.
I want to be painful. No, you say or person or jiske or see. Or baba sorry ya. Say to say me a guy no kase. Ohun car what the buy me yina. Now what target you. Adwene won Nigel 3 months say. Also born a transe. To bomb dia ye no ho adwuma pe. Nia no aka soro nia baby sabiana odiama. And he does things with impunity. Or foul or bow way no. Or foul way no foul chese on care. And no. So Obawe stood up to him, said, and yeah, a cabby our born who be on farmer. And yes, sir, will blow the cover. So he decided to coin the guy, say, oh, make Tofia Mount near you. And pa on any call Lakeside, Cotre Viebina or Ma deposit. No, say, if you are saying, Omunyan ye, and ye. So the girl. Oh, Nigel, no friend, say, Uncle Friday, no. Uncle Fio, not Uncle her.
Ebra.
Good.
Well, okay.
You show me. Anna, was see Uncle, no Uncle her. Enti Friday, no, or crass say, Obi the Niama free takra de Ebren into Okoji, no, the Akoni new house. What do you say? Or the Akoni new house. And Okoya, one maybe. A few year. The girl on the 15th. So on the 15th. Okay, Okra on the 14th for Okwasone Friday. And a Saturday. Who said, well, yeah. Now I say, oh, free. efie na okwohwe no a Nigel e de ma no a
that's right
ofiri ho a na okọ all night TV
no
enti okra me ne namfofo ni bi akasa okra se okọ Friday no omi wo ayi kura wo ha omo eye on social media so say ewura na yiranti wa wahunu no
yeah
wa wahunu ni bia no
report
report to telephone numbers omo gu ho ni namfofo a okra wo mu se okọ efie no a Nigel ato ehwanso no wu
very strange
yeah ehwanso
very
no
strange
that day no obi a oka se wachi obi a okun yes because Nigel himself did not kill the girl also won sika won kon won yam won echi I've spoken to all of them officer media bro me I do my investigation well what you say and the Friday now okra say go for the new frita krade breno or January dia ko new house no okọ ho no wa mabi okọ ho wa mabi now muntie ni on the 16th of December 2018 on the 18th of December 2018 21st December 2018 ni nyina no Nigel ejira na sorry dem ho kan say Wendy na wawuo no a man of God in the church and Ibrahim
what
yeah Musi medicine state imam in Kasare but that Ibra boy is a fool why 419 ade am ye no after we
the Gaisie
yeah what dey nyabotre so what you say that is what happened and nam say obu emma kwasia odada no say what did the sika no e to dan ama no he eliminated her now we are out there politics and this e Ghana ni na ewuo a ye ka ho asem it is not politics e Ghana ni na ewu and ye ka ho asem if you don't know the story keep quiet and let's investigate this may say on the 16th on the 18th 21st of December 2018 Nigel ni gina ho kan say girl no wu na wawu no a man of God in the church killed her Nigel should prove or tell us who that man of God is. We want to know. I will report this case.
These days
I've already made a phone call and I'm going to follow up. We are not monkeys. That fake pastors will be killing human beings and the guy bribes his way through everywhere. Also for the Debia was a police station. Also for the Debia was a police station. Yeah. Because he bribes his way, he goes out there and uses Muhammad's name to cheat. Now they've realized that the guy is using Muhammad's name to do people. And that is exactly so. And it is all you end this in here. Wake up. We are not talking about politics here. We are talking of fake pastors using big men's name to deceive the poor people. That is what we are talking about. I don't care whether you're NDC or you're MPP. That lady who died is a human being and a Ghanaian. So stop playing cheap politics. Is that what you do in your life? Ibrahim, who's one of me 24? Who cast in the criminal? I will run all the numbers.
Announcement in our kind of missing person. She left home on Friday night and hasn't returned till now. Good. She drives a white Toyota RAV4 and was wearing a blue jeans with a pink top. Right. Please, anyone with information should please call 054-918-2616. Please help us find her. She's in her 40s. She's Wendy Fynn Morris. Speaks English, fancy, Ga, and Tree.
Yeah. We are not going to lie on this television. I'm doing my investigation. I'm taking my time carefully and analyzing the situation. Because this same lady, I will afie nyanoa. Ono so emra ofra no say, girl ni mra sorry na kakra no to ho.
Kakra ne kakra na.
Yes, he was there. When you call the lady, only the kumada. Say omra. From Afianya to Wasoro, when. And when did you break the news? So was a girl, my friend, Okas omra sorry awoma and wako. Now movies are but me intimidating me. I'm not scared to die. Now, Munsho Nigel Kanwa, woman call, San Conforno, Echo Mu pass on the yeah, Santa Fe. But he took the plate Jehovah 7 out.
Wow.
Yeah, he took the plate. What was all car said new car? Who had a butcher? Wow. Nigel, be a smart teacher.
Jehovah 7-19.
Yeah, but they took the number plates
out
and went there without it. Yes. Me person chair was at me many be a chair. Now what time I want to go? Who small boy, younger boy? Who want to go? Who the baby animated? You are going to kill me? Wow, you got a problem. Maybe I'm not scared of you. Now that I have seen the car that went there to bribe the boys to come and kill me, Madam, uto ubanchi ato ubanchi. Ubandi abene bekon pepepe. Uni ano wa America o, muamwa hao. I will not sit there for this boy to kill me. But this will not scare me. And I'm telling God's way, your time is up. Who God's way, no? They see your time is up. I'm not scared of anybody in this country. Because I speak the truth. Because I speak the truth.